this life is alright. Fly away to that home on God's celestial shore. Fly away.
Well, here we go. It's harvest. I'm harvesting some soybeans right now. A little earlier in the week, we harvested some corn. I've got some videos of that, and hope things are going well out there. Just want to show you a little bit about what we're doing and what we're up to here in the month of October.